Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, a try on, and a review on the Beetlejuice Times Revolution eyeshadow and eyeliner set. With that being said, let's get started. This is the Beetlejuice Times Revolution shadow palette and it looks like this. And then this is the back. It does state Beetlejuice Times Revolution shadow palette, PETA approved, vegan, global animal test policy, 12 months. Then we have the Beetlejuice Times Revolution eyeliner set and it looks like this. And then this is the back. I'm going to start off by opening the eyeshadow and it does have the little sticker tabs here. This is very lightweight. Oh, I thought it was plastic, but it's actually cardboard. Can you guys see that? It's cardboard. Look who's down there. It does have a magnetic closure, guys. I like that. It does not have a mirror, but it is okay. Again, he's right there. These eyeshadows look very, very pretty. They have a shimmer. These right here remind me of chocolate, like the chocolate bars. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. I'm going to go ahead and open the eyeliner set, and it does have the little sticker thing here as well. It has 5 of them. I thought it was only 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and try them on. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me start off by saying that the products glided right on. They're very soft and they're very buildable. Of course, with the eyeshadow palette, you did see that it has a lot of fallout in some of the colors, but that is totally normal with any eyeshadow palette, regardless if it's drugstore or high-end. The colors are very beautiful in this palette. I saw all of them on my eyelids, and as you can see, I kind of mixed some of them as well. This surprised me because I thought it was just 3. I don't know why. I didn't read it well at the bottom, and I didn't see the other one, so I thought it was just 3 eyeliners, but there are 5, as you guys saw. And I also try to use all of them in my inner corner, in my waterline, outside my waterline, at the ends. I also like that these are very buildable and they slided right on. There wasn't chunks on these like some other eyeliners have a lot of chunks. I didn't see any chunks with these. I also went ahead and I applied some of my black lipstick. And on top of my black lipstick, I applied some of the eyeshadow that I used on my eyelids, on my lips, and it looks very pretty. Final rating, 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. So this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.